Hey Goliath, what do you think? Did you like the cache crate this time? Did it want you to get outside and go for a walk and go geocaching? I just spent the last 7 hours with 200 teenagers. I was bringing the hype, bringing the fun, and I'm a little tired. I don't know if I have energy. But when I have a cache crate in hand, it just brings me energy. It's like special geo energy. Hey everybody, it's Joshua, the Geocaching Vlogger, and I'm here again to unbox the cache crate for you so you can see just a little bit of what it's like. And also I'm going to unenvelope a geocaching tee. Oh look, the sticker is slightly coming off, but that doesn't impact the goodness inside. Usually I unbox the cache crate first, but this time I'm gonna unbox this shirt first, just so there's no spoilers. This is the November 2021 shirt. It's a shirt subscription service. I get a shirt every month from Lisa, and she knows what size I wear. How does she know? Because I told her. Ooh, we got brown. Very fallish. Oh my gosh. Yes! First of all, one thing you should notice, I think this is the very first long sleeve. Look, it's a long sleeve t-shirt. Brown. Very fall festive. Look at the leaves on it. Aw. Thankful for geocaching. I am so thankful for geocaching. Geocaching brings so much goodness and great things to my life. And I'm thankful for it. And you know what else I'm thankful for? Get up here. I'm thankful for my dog, Goliath. It's very difficult now to do unboxing videos or videos inside because this little monster that is a cutie always wants to interrupt. He wants all the attention. But I mean, he's cute. Are you a cute boy? All right, now I'm gonna put it on. Through the magic of YouTube, here we go. Bam, right through the jean jacket. And there it is. Look at that, that's a good color. That's a good color, check it out. Long sleeves. Perfect for this Minnesota boy. If you're interested in geocaching tees, go to geocachingtees.com, put your size in there, and Lisa will send you a geocaching t-shirt every single month, and you can grow your geocaching wardrobe. Now, without further ado, we're going to unbox the cache crate. If you don't know what the cache crate is, it is a monthly geocaching subscription box. Lisa from Spokane, Washington, packs geocaching goodies for you every single month, and they're delivered right to my door, and I open them for you on camera so you can just see a little bit of what it's like. Just so there's no spoilers, this is the November 2021 cache crate. I'm a legit part of the crew because I literally have my cache crate unboxing tool. Ooh, so sharp. What's inside will get you outside. That is so true. Ooh, the tissue paper is back. Last month there was no room for the tissue paper, but it is back. I have a special invitation. You see that? It says, you are cordially invited to the Cache Crate Cookie Celebration. In your November Cache Crate, you'll find a geocache-shaped cookie cutter. How cool is that? That is cool. She even has a little recipe on the back. It never ceases to amaze me how creative Lisa is. She's been doing these cache crates for years, and she's always coming with cool and unique ideas. This is an idea that I've never seen. Now I have to find it. It's not even in a... Look, there it is. It's like a film canister shape. That certainly does look like a geocache. And it's a cookie cutter. How festive. Just in time for the holidays to make a little bit of geocaching cookies. Many of you know last month was the International Geocaching Film Festival, and we got ourselves a sticker from this year and a film festival wooden nickel, or woody that some people call them. There it is. This is great because I often put my stickers on my geocaching luggage, or what I just call my luggage. All right, next item. Ooh, what are these? Oh, these are like window clings for your car. This one's like a satellite. That one is a little hiking dude. And this one is a little hiking girl. These are perfect for your geo luggage, your geo car, your geo everything. Continue with the theme of the film festival. We have the International Geocaching Film Festival patch. People love to collect these. People love to drop these in caches. Don't we all love the shinies? I don't have one, but I have two Route 66 Adventure Lab Geocoins. This one is the black nickel version. There's the back of it. and also because I get the add-on trackable. This is the silver nickel version. As you can see, Route 66 goes all the way from Chicago all the way through here. All the states in orange are Route 66. Fun fact, I don't know if you knew this, but there are adventure labs all along the whole entirety of Route 66, and this geocoin commemorates that. Love the geocoin. It's gonna fit in perfect with my geocoin display. I don't always show this, but you get a little description every single month of everything that is in the crate. So if you're not quite sure what everything is, this gives you a full example. All right, the holidays are here. If you're interested in the cash crate, or if you're interested in gifting the cash crate to somebody, now's the time. As of the day I'm publishing it, the cash crate is open. It's not always open to new subscribers, so go ahead and subscribe today or get it for a friend. And if you use the promo code GEO15 at checkout, you get 15% off your first payment. So you save more if you commit to the 6 months, or you get even more savings if you commit for the whole year. Hey Goliath, what do you think? Did you like the cash crate this time? Did it want you to get outside and go for a walk and go geocaching? Yeah, buddy.